Hi guys, Toy Junkie here. I've got some more new majorettes for you. We've got a Mercedes Actros truck, and we've also got a little three set here, which has got I think it's a Renault Traffic, a Porsche Panamera, and I think that's an m.a.n truck. We'll check that in a moment, which is a fire engine. I think we'll try and have a look at this one first. This Actros truck. So I bought this from Tesco's, not the normal Tesco's that I normally go to, only because the Tesco's I go to is not a very big one, and they don't have much stock. They don't supply these larger packs. It's more the little individual cars and the occasional 3-pack. So I went to a bigger store, and this is what we got from there. So this is the packaging, pretty generic. Got a picture there of an m.a.n bendy bus and an Actros. So we'll open this and have a little look, see what it's like, and I might compare it to like an old Mercedes Majorette truck, see how they compare. Let's open that. Let's see what's in store. Sorry about this. Okay, so first of all, this is the Mercedes Actros. It used to be called a Megaspace. I don't know if they still call it a Megaspace in these days. The old ones certainly used to be called a Megaspace. And this is a cattle vehicle. It's got some really good, I'm going to do some close-up photos in a moment, but it's got some really nice details. Let's just open this. So what's in here? Oh, what we got? A bull, some sort of cattle. Right, so there's 2 bulls in there. Put those back in. It doesn't turn very well. It's a bit of a shame. It's not very loose. It's a lovely colour. I love the decor on here. It's a bit of a shame that doesn't turn very well. Don't know why. Don't know if I've not got it in the right position. But the detailing is really good. Painted the headlamps in like a silver colour, so they look almost realistic. You've got the big Airland and Sea Mercedes-Benz sign and the Actros symbol at the top here with a little Mercedes sign. I'll have a little close-up of that, so just bear with me 1 second. Right, so hopefully the light will be a little bit better now. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. So hopefully you can see there's a little badge there, the Actros. Nice big 5th wheel. But just look at the colours. What scale is this? 182 maybe. It's difficult for me to see. I think it's 182, but I can't really see it very well. I need to get a magnifying glass. Just look at the detail. That's beautiful. So yeah, if you compare that to a Mercedes-Benz from when I was a child. Which, let me just see what scale this is. This is a 1:100, so a bit smaller, a lot smaller in fact. But the quality was good back then as well. So that's your Mercedes-Benz Actros. So it's not very. I think if I was a child and I bought this, I'd be a little bit disappointed because when you drive it, it won't turn left. Go left, go right, okay. Well, unless it pops off, right? That's it. It's just not a very good. Not been built very well. Other than that, the actual chassis is really nice. So then we come on to the 3-pack. So we'll open this on the top. I'll have a look at the Porsche first. I'm a bit partial to Porsche. And it's a police car. Doors open. Lovely detail. There's a little Porsche badge there. The detail on Majorettes are just superb. I'm not sure where this police car would come from, so if anybody knows, just put in the notes below, just so I'm aware. Right, what have we got? This is a Renault. Oh, it's a shame. Look at that. A bit careless. Ooh, the Renault badge, which is there, which I don't know if you're going to pick that up. There is off center. So that's a bit of a shame. And it says it's an ambulance medical emergency service. Again, another nice model. It's a Renault Traffic. What car does this say? Oh, Renault Master, sorry, not a Traffic. Beg your pardon. Traffic is a smaller one. This is a 166 scale. So what was that, Porsche? Porsche's 164 scale. So they're near enough. Near enough. And then finally, we've got this m.a.n. fire engine. Looks like the cabs are tilted forward a little bit for some reason. There you go, lovely m.a.n. markings on the front. Even with a little dog. If we can pick that up. Little dog at the front. Again, I haven't got a clue where this fire engine would originate from. That must be the code number to ring them. 909. UK it's 999. Oh, look at that, telescopic ladders as well. Nice little model, this. Back end's plastic, it's all plastic. The base is all metal. The cab's metal. The detail is absolutely fantastic. This is really nice. This is just equally as good as the Mercedes Actros. And they look as though they'll be about the right sort of scale as well, because this is a mega space, so it's a high version. So let's see what scale it is. See if we can read that. 187. So it's a 187 scale. So this has got to be about that as well. Sorry about that. I don't know whether it can be seen on the screen. It probably can. Oh, it's upside down. No, I can't see it. Maybe you guys can when it's on a full screen. I can't see it on my screen. But yeah, that's one of my favourites as of about 2 minutes ago, and this is one of my favourites as well. I do love trucks. I used to sell trucks for a living a long time ago, Mercedes-Benz as it happens. So I've driven quite a few Mercedes trucks. Have driven an Actros, but not this latest type. I'm talking about nearly 20 years ago, I think, since I worked for Mercedes-Benz selling trucks. But anyway, that's two of my favourite Majorettes of modern times. I would probably say my most favourite Majorette of all time is probably the Volkswagen T1 or T2, whatever it is, transporter police van, combi looking van. The blue one that you can get, that's really nice, and also the ambulance that you can get in the same model. They're probably my all-time favourites. That's got to be my latest favourite, I think, along with a nice little ball there. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.